And welcome back, guys. Been gone for a minute. Things got kind of crazy, so took a break from filming and doing stuff with cars. But today we're gonna be working on Gabe's Alltrack here. The last video, the only other video that we have with the Alltrack, is us installing his all exhaust. But since then, he's installed ECS tuning intake, and he's installed SoloWorks coilovers as well. So today, though, we're going to be installing a downpipe that Emma got him for his birthday. Who's it?
Integrated Engineering.
It's from Integrated Engineering. So we're going to be throwing that on today and bumping him up to a new tuning possibly as well. So he has Unitronic Stage 1 Plus. Right now we're going to bump it up to Stage 2 for the downpipe. But yeah, it should be a fairly easy, straightforward video. A nice, jump back into the swing of things, and yeah. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so here's the downpipe that we're going to be messing with today. The whole thing. Obviously, this is the portion that connects to the turbo, and then this is the mid pipe. I do like that it is in two pieces. That should make it a little bit easier. Comes with all the different couplers and clamps that you're going to need in the kit. And yeah, this should be a fairly straightforward job. What we're going to do is I kind of like this style of we figure out how to do it, and then I'll come back and give you guys a step-by-step and show you where everything is. So let's just get into it. Okay, so up at the top of the engine, you have this turbo right there. This is the stock downpipe right here where my finger is. First things first is, I really like this. That's his O2 sensor. That's nice as hell. It's really easy to get to, so we're going to remove that, disconnect it up here. Then we'll bring the car up, and once the car is up, we'll start disconnecting it from down there. And yeah, I think we got to remove the drive shaft too, or disconnect the drive shaft in order just to move it off to the side. But we'll go over that once we get to it and stuff. Alright, so we got it jacked up as high as we can safely, because it's a bit of a pain to get the downpipe out from where it is. You kind of have to contort it and everything like that. But yeah, let's keep going. Best shop dog in the world, huh, Mr. Citizens?
You wanna come see the worst shop dog? Hey. Hi. How you doing?
Oh, Miss Nix. Nixie, come here. And for those of you who don't know, this is Nix. She's Ashley's dog. She's the newest addition to the pack. Fun stuff. Alright. So Gabe got it out. We ended up cutting the downpipe. I'll show you. So yeah, we ended up just lopping it off right there at the end of the flex pipe. The rest of the mid pipe's over there on the floor. But yeah, that just made it a little bit easier. Now granted, he can't ever really use this again unless we get it welded back up. So if you ever plan on putting your stock one back on, don't do that. But yeah, it's just a pain in the ass. Like, you're just gonna have to brute force it on out. Like, that's the only way to do it, is like twisting, like there's no trick.
Just get mad at it.
Just get mad, drop the subframe, like just take everything out. It's ridiculous on how to take that downpipe out.
Just remove the engine.
Remove the whole thing. It's dumb.
Yeah, the whole car. Just remove the car.
But
there's my mini turbo.
yeah, so it's out. We're gonna put the new one in. Hopefully it's a little bit easier. It's already in 2 different pieces, which is kind of nice. And it seems to, the piping is bigger, but it seems to be a little bit smaller, if that makes any sense.
Better form.
Like, I just feel like it's gonna slide in a lot easier than the other one. But I'll let you know. And we're done. We installed everything. This is a terrible how-to video, but there's plenty of other how-to videos as well out there.
Make sure you watch all of them.
Yeah, that's a good point. Watch all of them, because all of them are correct, but all of them are wrong. Yeah, it was
interesting.
It was a pain in the ass. There's plenty of, like I keep saying, there's plenty of other how-to videos, but it was just such a pain to try to take out that we didn't even bother filming. So yeah. My only advice is that if you do this to yours, don't be afraid of brute force, because you're going to use a lot of it.
And if you want an easy install, go catless. Because the biggest thing about taking this thing out and putting it back in is the cat's fucking massive. So if you go catless and you have just tubing, that's it.
So yeah, now that we have everything down, we're going to pick up real quick, put this car back in the ground, and we'll see what it sounds like start it up.
Sounds good. It looks good. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen my car drive yet.
Feel better?
Yes, I feel so much better.
Good. Because that was a pain in the dick.
It was a pain in the... Look at my arms.
Look at your arms. Look at my face. Have you seen my face?
Yes, I've seen your face. Have you seen my... Oh, well, I mean, everyone's seen my face now. Our hands look like this, so our hands can still look like this.
Seriously. You can hear it all around the neighborhood, though, so that's cool.
Yeah. So Tom thinks his WRX is quieter than my my Volkswagen, so we're gonna give that a try. Well, only the video will tell.
You know, because we got to see which car's louder. But Gabe's, I think, is definitely louder than mine. But, you know, it's besides the point. I kind of like mine a little bit quieter, to be completely honest. It's a little bit nicer driving on the interstate and stuff. All right, kids. And that's it. hang on. All right, that's it. I'm done. I'm done for today. Now Gabe's out here revving his engine at the neighbor kids. But yeah, my advice, if you got an Alltrack and you want to put a downpipe in it, don't. No, it's just a pain. It's just, you know, it's just a pain. But it was fun. I'm glad we got it done. And car sounds really, really good. It's a little louder than I like, but you know, it's fine. It sounds great. So yeah, like, comment, and, you know, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.